Somewhere in your data, there's a story. And Microsoft Excel helps you find it. It's where you build spreadsheets to organize your data, with functions to run calculations, automate tasks, or handle large amounts of information. It's how you dig deeper to find summaries, trends, and patterns, or get recommendations for charts and graphs to visualize everything. And when you invite others to work with you, share your workbook. Add comments and mention someone so they know what to focus on. Uncover the story behind the numbers with Excel.